Welcome to Boxing Day. Hope you're all well and enjoying your festive holidays. Okay, just a quick vlog on my packing, as I said I was going to do. For those that are interested to maybe see what we pack, what we take anyway, so it's always good to learn from people. Anyway, we'll get right onto it. Listen, if you can't get everything into a bike like this on a motorcycle trip, you really shouldn't be taking it. It's just not needed. So what the basics are, your personal stuff is your choice obviously, but this is what I find is sort of essentials. I've got the gloves, winter gloves obviously, basic riding gloves, got my beanie, your sunscreen, the tool bag which hangs off the back of the bike here, and that's just the pump for our air suspension, rear air suspension. We've got the puncture repair kit and essential tools that fit the Indian. This is a little ripper, the idea I got off Chris on our trip up to Shark Bay. He's got one of these, but you've just got to make sure it seals real quickly on the thing, otherwise you let too much air out and then you're pumping again. But nice digital, but not cheap, 29 bucks or something like that. Okay, we have the first aid kit, although I don't know what earphones or whatever we're doing here, but I'll check that out. But yeah, basic first aid kit obviously needed. That's got our weather gear in it. We probably won't be taking on this trip because she's looking beautiful down south in our summer this year. Cleaning gear with taking the microfiber cloths, etc. It cleans the windscreen up. If I feel I got this clean windscreen, I feel I got a clean bike. Bit of cheating. Night glasses if needed. We put this in one of the side panels and put our water in there. Freeze the bottles at night time at wherever you're staying, so you've got some cold water on the trip as that defrosts. And absolutely essential, got to have some dunny roll. That's toilet roll for you overseas people. Good old dunny roll, essential especially when you're travelling with your lady, who, you know, they stop every 25, 50 metres. Got to go. Ooh, got to go. Wee-wees. Yes. So you're pulling over for that. Anyway, the bike cover, which we fold up, goes into the thing. That'll just sit on the rack so it doesn't take up any room. And normally the wet weather gear will sit on top of that as well. You may have seen the one I did a clip of a little while ago. Just quickly, I had to get it replaced. The seals were coming off the cover. But they replaced it, no problem, so it was all good. Obviously, leather jacket's got to go with us, and you may remember when I got the karaoke thing which sits on the back of here. You can see where it's all been. Really didn't work out. It's a bit sad. It's a good idea, it's got all the things in it. It's two things, it just doesn't stick, it doesn't stay on, because obviously with the trunk down, it just keeps pulling away, so that's no good. And also, once you put stuff in here, it takes up a bit of room and you've got nothing left. You don't have much room left to pack on top and the thing, so you can actually fit on top better. But it's a bit of a pity, the idea is sort of there, but it just didn't work out. So anyway, so obviously we've got the trunk side things there, we've got storage down here on the sides, lots of room in this thing. Like I say, if I can't get it on there, I ain't taking it. You tend to cut down. It's the old story, you pack, then you halve it, then you halve it again. And yeah, just some central cleaning gear that I just take along just to give her a wipe down as needed. But anyway, we take off on Saturday morning. It's now Thursday, Boxing Day, and we'll be off on an early start and looking forward to 5 days away. And there's going to be no internet at the place we're staying or anything, so no internet might make David crazy. Make it even worse for Jackie. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Alright, we'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching Doing Digby. Cheers, mate.